Hello and welcome back to Forge Advisors, where your success is our mission. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to become the best at what you do. We'll be exploring the power of understanding your unique strengths, the importance of continuous learning, and the transformative potential of setting goals. We'll also touch on maintaining a positive mindset, a key ingredient in the recipe for success. So, buckle up and ignite your passion. Get ready to embark on a journey to become the best at what you do. Step 1. Understand your strengths. It's vital to identify what sets you apart, what you excel in. This self-awareness forms the foundation of your journey towards being the best. Think about what you naturally do well, what tasks you find effortless. Don't hesitate to ask others for their observations too. People around you can provide invaluable insights about your strengths that you may overlook. The key is to be open and receptive. Remember, your strengths are your unique selling points. Harness them to stand out. Moving on to step 2, never stop learning. The journey to becoming the best in your field is a continuous one. It involves constantly seeking knowledge and refining your craft. Engage in effective ways to learn, such as reading books related to your field, attending relevant seminars, or enrolling in online courses. It's about embracing the mindset of a lifelong student, always curious, always hungry for more. Remember, every new piece of knowledge is a stepping stone towards excellence. With continuous learning, you can stay ahead of the curve. Finally, we have step 3 and 4, setting goals and maintaining a positive mindset. As we journey towards becoming the best at what we do, it's essential to set clear, achievable goals. These serve as our roadmap, guiding us towards our desired destination. Without goals, we may find ourselves wandering aimlessly, unsure of our direction. But setting goals is only half of the equation. We must also cultivate a positive mindset. The power of positivity can't be understated. It can influence our performance, our interactions, and ultimately our results. So how do we stay positive, especially when we face challenges? Well, one way is to view these challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Another is to surround ourselves with positivity, positive people, positive thoughts, and positive actions. Remember, your mindset is like a garden. If you nurture it with positivity, it will flourish. With clear goals and a positive mindset, you're unstoppable. So, there you have it. We've explored understanding your strengths, the importance of continuous learning, and the power of setting goals with a positive mindset. Remember, becoming the best at what you do is a journey, not a destination. Embrace these steps, apply them diligently in your pursuits, and watch as you evolve into the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more insightful contents. Until next time, keep winning.